running a contest or sweepstakes on TikTok the right way. Currently, TikTok does not have published guidelines for doing a contest, but that does not mean that there are no rules for doing so. For the TikTok contest or raffle, it is legal to comply with these 7 basic recommendations to carry out a promotion on a social platform. Use an exclusive hashtag to explore tickets. One of the best ways to explore tickets for a TikTok contest is through the use of an exclusive hashtag. Any publication that is made during the published time period of the promotion that has a default hashtag is considered an entry. Incorporate official rules. The official rules are those that protect you in court if something does not go well and you need to defend yourself. A clear set of rules will detail who can enter, how to enter, what will be the prizes, and when the promotion ends. You can also provide a way to enter without requiring a purchase. You must also incorporate in your rules an acknowledgement that the promotion has no sponsorship or support from TikTok or anything linked to it. The rules should be published in a relevant manner as a link wherever you post about your TikTok contest, including your own video about the contest, the video subtitle, the social announcement, or a link in your social biography. Be cautious of copyright infringement. You cannot claim or accept that a participant in your TikTok contest uses music, logos, or any other copyrighted material to participate. Give wonderful prizes. Before holding a TikTok contest or raffle, think about what kind of prizes your fans would like. Incredible prizes always generate more appeal. But you should keep in mind that in the U.S., prizes worth more than $600 have IRS presentation requirements for the winners. Follow laws and social guidelines. Each state and social platform has exclusive laws and guidelines for raffles and gifts. It also has federal laws and strict FTC guidelines related to the use of the word contest, raffle, or announcement in its notice of action and in the program's own hashtag. Laws to give gifts in other countries could be even more severe. Expressing that he was not aware of that or the others do so will not save him from an FTC investigation or a lawsuit or fines. So, follow the rules. Keep reasonable entry dates. To increase the number of tickets you receive, the period of entry for your promotion should not be too short, nor should it be very long. For an uncomplicated contest with some prizes, a week should be long enough. If you have a lot of prizes and different degrees of winners, you can analyze the possibility of making a promotion for the period of a month. You should also make sure you have enough time to judge the entries for the contest. Reduce the duration of each video for your contest. When users watch videos, they don't like to watch such a long video because it is usually very boring. You don't want to watch 200 videos of 60 minutes. 3 minutes is more than enough time to assess the quality of a contestant. The best way to be sure to make the best possible raffle is to use an accredited promotional agency to help you write official rules and make sure you are not breaking any laws. And in this way, work with you to comply with the guidelines of the TikTok community. Conclusion: TikTok is a site where you can express your creativity. It is also a global community of people who are looking for fun and welcoming experiences. The guidelines of the TikTok community, which are periodically updated, are an important code of conduct for a safe and cordial environment. If these guidelines are violated, this would result in the deletion of your account or its content. Users must also follow local laws. TikTok reserves the right to monitor and report the content to the relevant authorities, as allowed by applicable law. Your policies and guidelines should be created to promote and build trust, respect, and a positive environment for everyone in this community. TikTok is confident that its users will give respect to the community and keep TikTok fun and enjoyable for everyone. TikTok is not a place to post content that could harm other users or encourage them to harm themselves, either by physical or emotional damage.